The company has had a very successful business for the last 68 years. And really it was around sort of 8 years ago that the company decided that, things are changing. The online world is really coming through. And whilst we've had a very successful business at that point, I guess for around 60 years, they wanted to make sure that we had a successful business in 60 years to come. Bearing in mind this is very new to us, the whole automation thing, we'd never done it before within CEF in any of the businesses. So people that we've gone out to tender, looked for their advice and their guidance on what we needed to really put in the tender for them to quote. We didn't really know. And CSL was the best at doing that, worked with us the best through that process, gave us the best advice, gave us a lot of ideas and a lot of understanding about how the systems can work. And from that really just worked with us, and we just designed our own bespoke system with them from there. Yeah, CSL have performed fantastically right through the project, really, right from design, right through testing, and the whole process. Done exactly what you would like to think somebody would do for you when you're employing them to do something so important for your business. Building all the efficiencies, the installation, everything has been absolutely just spot on. To be honest, what they've done it's what they've said they're going to do, and they've said they're going to be on site. They've always arrived on site. All of the staff, individual staff members, whether they're mechanical or the electrical guys or the software guys, have all been absolutely fantastic working with our various teams. Absolutely just ticked every box, and their feedback from our guys, various departments, has been fantastic as well. That they would, if we're ever to do this again and expand even further, we will use CSL again. We will. Yeah, we would definitely.